Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come to you guys today with a quick video. I just got in from doing my first ever shoot for Crown LA, and I wore this beautiful ash blonde unit. You guys may have saw me creating this a few days ago on my Instagram or on my Snapchat. But yeah, this is like my signature blonde hair. I also had this same hair color featured in my wig unit construction video that I posted. I'll link that down below. But yeah, I love this color and I really wanted to share with you guys how to achieve this look because it's very simple. It's a really cool color like for summer or even for the winter because it's so like platinum and icy. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. So before you begin, you're going to want to gather your products. I use the Wella T27 to achieve this look. Box upside down. The Wella T27, this can be found at Sally's Beauty Supply. It's literally like my go-to color, and then I highlighted it with the T10. You can use T14, T11, T18. The reason why I chose the T10 is because it's a pale blonde, and sometimes I feel like the T18 and the T11 are a little bit more of like a gray platinum blonde, and I really didn't want so much of the platinum gray look in this unit, so I really used a lot of T27 and just two T10s. The next thing you're gonna need is the purple shampoo. I used the Kristen S. I was gonna get the shimmer lights and I was in Target, they didn't have it, and there was this nice girl who told me about this girl, and I actually read up on her. She's a cosmetologist here in LA and she has a shop and she has amazing products. These smell great. Oh my gosh, and they worked really well with the hair. So you can use any purple shampoo to just bring out the brassiness. Shimmer Lights, as I said, is a very popular one. Then you're gonna need the developer too. I use 20 volume developer. I would not recommend anything stronger than 20 volume developer because you have to keep in mind that this hair is 613, meaning this hair has already been bleached harshly. So you don't really want to do too much. And then of course you're going to need your mixing bowls and something to actually paint your dye on with, and a comb. Also you can just use like some garbage bags or an old towel to lay the bundles out on. And some people even foil their bundles. Once you're done dyeing them, you can put them in foil. That's optional. But yeah, that's all you need. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so I'm going to make this as quick and simple as possible. So the first thing you want to do is unravel your bundles. I usually put it on a garbage bag, but I didn't have any black garbage bags. I only had scented garbage bags. So I just put some shopping bags out and cut them open. Works the same way. You just want to do something to protect your towel. Then you're going to take your mixing bowls and you're going to take your toner. That's the T27 toner, and you're going to pour it into your mixing bowl with 2 parts developer. So a good way to measure that is just to pour developer into that exact toning bottle 2 times and mix it in because you need twice the amount. So then I'm going to do the same thing with the T10, pour the toner in, pour 2 parts of the developer in, and I am using the 20 volume developer because this hair is 613. It's already processed, so you don't want to go too crazy with the developer, and that's what the box tells you to use. So then I'm going to mix. I put my pink mixing brush in the T27 so I can distinguish the two. And I'm just going to mix it until it's like a thick, not very thick, but kind of like a icing consistency, like icing on a cake. You definitely want to make sure it's really smooth. Like if you guys can see, it's starting to become a lot thicker. So I'm just going to make sure there's like not any lumps and make sure it's very smooth. The T27 tends to turn a golden color and the T10 tends to turn like a bluish color. So I'm going to switch them around because I'm actually going to start with my closure and my shortest bundle, my 22-inch closure and my 22-inch bundle. And then I'm just going to comb the bundle out and then fold it over 2 or 3 times. If you can do it longer, that's cool. So first I'm going to take the T10, the lighter color, and I'm just going to make some highlights. So if you guys can see, I'm just going in random places and adding the T10. And then you can comb it out throughout you applying the dye because Sometimes it gets a little matted. Then I'm going to take the T10 and put it on the ends because I do want the ends to be like a little bit lighter. So I'm going to fold my 22-inch bundle over again so I can do the other side and just go in like, there's no method to this honestly, because I'm not like darkening the hair, I'm just lightening the hair. So I just basically go in and just make little highlights throughout the bundle and the closure. Then I take the T27 and just saturate it. You guys can see I'm taking the T27 with the pink brush and I'm just saturating it. I'm even going over those areas where I put the T10. Now if you look closely at my closure, you can see it turning purple in some areas. Those are the areas that I've already put the T10. Already changing it. So because I put that before I put the T27, that area is going to be lighter because it's processing longer and that toner is lighter. So then I'm just going to mix up another batch of the T27. Then you can see I'm going back in with the T10 on the 22-inch bundle just to try to like make as much dimension as possible. So then I'm going to take the T27 and saturate the closure too. The reason why I like to let my closure sit a little bit longer is because my frontal is the piece of hair that's going to be in the front. So I feel like that is where I want the most dimension. And my 22-inch bundle is going to be up under that. So I do go in with the T10 and let it sit a little while because I really want that dimension in those two bundles. So then I'm just combing it through just to make sure it's completely saturated. And then I'm going to also take the remaining toner and I'm going to hit the top two, and then I'm going to hit the roots of the closure. But first I'm going to turn the closure around, make sure I got the back. You want to make sure every piece of the hair is saturated. Then I'm just going in. And then I'm actually going to go inside of the closure too because I toned the roots too because I wasn't going for black roots. I wanted like dark roots. So you can see I'm like getting the top of the tracks on the 22-inch bundle because I want there to be no Barbie blonde. I want it all toned. And then I'm parting the frontal and going in with the toner to make sure that there's no darkness or no patchiness anywhere in the frontal. I want to make sure everything is toned. So you can foil these if you want, but I just kind of push them to the side. And then you're going to do the same thing with the second set of bundles. These bundles were so beautiful, guys. They're so full. The wave was amazing. They were just everything. Like, I cannot wait to install this. But yeah, you're just going to do the same thing with your last two bundles. First go in with the lighter color, the T10, create the highlights, and then saturate with the T27. Go in, highlight, saturate. That simple. So I'm not going to do a full video because I'm basically doing the same thing. But also just keep in mind that the saturation is key to making sure that the dye looks uniform. So always be folding, always be opening and refolding, and just always be checking the root of the hair and just anywhere in the bundle to make sure every piece is saturated. Highlight, saturate. Highlight, saturate. So this is what it looked like after I washed and conditioned it with the purple shampoo. Turned out very, very nice. It turned out to be like a very golden ash blonde with a lot of pale highlights in it. Like, you guys will see once you blow dry it too. Don't be discouraged if it looks really gray. But if you guys can even see the dimension between the lower part of the bundle and the upper part of the bundle, it's really pretty. I love it. And the roots are very brown. They're not like too brown. They're a very pretty natural brown color that's toned in transition with the actual blonde hair. So it doesn't look like it doesn't match. This is literally my signature color, guys. I love it so much. It's just everything. So that's pretty much all I did, you guys. This is how it turned out. It's so pretty. I love this look, you guys. It's literally my signature blonde. I like it with like loose curls. Like, it's super glamorous. It was perfect for the shoot that I did today, and it's just so me. So don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products I use or about anything, just comment, you guys, and be looking out for the release of Crown LA. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram _courtside. Follow my business page. Follow my Snapchat, crownby.court. I have all of that linked below. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next week or in a few days. Bye.